Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to share with you 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are connected to the medium content books or medium content niches. That might include activity books. It might include coloring books. Also, we're going to sub-niche into a couple of different activity books as well. We're going to talk about where you can get interiors from, and we're going to share with you an updated list of daily keywords that will help you to expand and kickstart your Amazon KDP business. So if it's something that you're interested in, we do daily videos revealing Amazon KDP keywords, as well as giving you tips and tricks that I personally use to expand my business online. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Now, with that being said, let's head straight to the Amazon platform and show you the first keyword out of the 3 that we have ready for you today. And our first keyword is cut and paste workbook for kids ages 4 to 8 years old. This is a wonderful keyword. It fits the profitability metrics that we have right here, and it is a keyword that rarely you come by because it's gives the impression that it is somehow saturated as well. But once you have a look at the sneak peek as well, you can be able to find a couple of really good keywords that you can use either for your title, for your subtitle, or for your 7 keyword slots if you are creating a workbook that has any activities in the interior around the cut and paste. Now, it's more of a workbook / activity book where you're going to have a cut and paste activities for children between the ages of 4 to 8 years old. So you can create a book specifically about animals where you include images of animals and some little parts here and there so children can form a one image as well. You can make it about flowers, so you can be able to sub-niche according to the theme of the actual book. Now, we have a keyword niche score by self-publishing Titus Chrome extension of 53, which is good as well. The total results are sitting at 3,844. Now, if you've been watching me here on the channel, you do know that I prefer my total results to be between 1,000 to 2,000. The lower, the better. This one sits at 3,844. But why did I choose to share with you this keyword today out of the 3 keywords is because I want you to expand your KDP portfolio and have a look at keywords with a bit of a high total results. Not constrain yourself. Create a book, put it on the platform, and then move on to the next. You never know what it would sell. And the total results are also under 5,000, my apologies. So they're not considered to be super high. Also, we have the average bestseller rank to be 596,831, and we have the average reviews sitting at 428 and the average price at $6.99. We do want to avoid looking at any of the sponsored books. Here in this case, it is the top 2. Then coming down, this one here is a great book. It's utilizing the exact same keyword and it has a bestseller rank of 118,403. This one also is having a bestseller rank of 423. This one here is 102,521, selling approximately around 30 pieces per month. And I know it may not sound a lot, but it really does add up, especially if you create a really good book and then move on to the next and have that in your dashboard. You're going to go in and you're going to make a lot of really good profit if you pay attention to the interior and the cover as well. So this one is selling around 30 pieces of books per month, generating around $62. This one here also has a bestseller rank of 41,000. It is selling around 150 pieces per month, generating around $367. So that is good to see. Also, one thing as well, some of these books that are ranking on the first page are not exactly the same keyword. They're utilizing this as part of the 7 keyword slots. So if you currently have a book in your dashboard right now, Amazon KDP dashboard, and it is around a cut and paste workbook, or if it's an activity book that has cut and paste elements in there in the interior, and it's for children between the ages of 4 to 8, go ahead and update this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots to get your book ranking for this keyword with time. So that was the first keyword for the day. Cut and paste workbook for kids ages 4 to 8. Let's have a look at our second keyword. Our second keyword for the day is would you rather, game book for girls. This is an amazing keyword as well. Would you rather game book for girls? You could be able to sub-niche according to the different sizes as well. Would you like it to be a pocket size, a 8.5 times 8.5 inches? Would you like it to be a travel size, 6 by 9, or a large print sitting at 8.5 times 11 inches? So here we have a keyword niche score of 58 by Self-Publishing Titans and a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. Coming to the total results, they're sitting under 1,000, which is also amazing. Average bestseller rank is also 583,681. Now you can cut that through by niching it down according to the sizing, according to the topic as well of the would you rather. It doesn't revolve around any sort of, for example, travel. Would you rather travel? Would you rather anything funny, scary, gross, educational, anything like that? You could be able to sub niche, or you can also niche down according to the age group of these girls. Are they between the ages of 4 to 8? Are they between the ages of 10 to 12, for example? Are they pre-teen girls? That would also really help you to niche down and choose your specific audience as well. So scrolling down, we do have a couple of really good books that have good bestseller rank. For example, this one's a would you rather for 6-year-old kids. Now, it's not specifically about girls, yet it is for kids, and they've managed to insert this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots, and it is generating around $95 per month in sales, selling around 30 copies. This one here has a bestseller rank of 202. This one's sitting at a bestseller rank of 37,000, generating around $125 per month, selling around 180 copies, which is also a good indication. Now, Amazon Scout Pro also has given us a number 6 for the keyword niche score, beautifully complementing all this data that we have right here. So that was for the second keyword. Let's have a look at the third and final keyword. Third and final keyword is cut out paper dolls for girls ages 4 to 6. Now, this is an amazing keyword. We have a strong keyword niche score of 56 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension and a keyword niche score of number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro. Also, coming down to the total results, they're sitting under 1,000 and they're currently sitting at 448. Average bestseller rank is also at a low under 300,000, sitting at 237,044, and average reviews at 814, and the average price is $13.26. So you can find some of the interiors available at Creative Fabrica. You can also find a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica linked in the description box below, which allows you a maximum of 10 downloads for that 30-day free trial, and you can cancel whenever you want as well. So scrolling down here, we are going to ignore the top 4 sponsored books, and coming down here, we do have a couple of really good books that are having a bestseller rank. This one, for example, sitting at 164,000. This one is sitting around the bestseller rank of 87,000. Now, you would ideally want the bestseller rank to be under 100,000. Ideally, it's selling around 30 copies per month.